What's up, automotive family? Today, we're diving into something massive, the resurrection of a legend. That's right, Ford is bringing back the Excursion for 2025, and it's bigger and better than ever. Just look at this beast in Arctic white. Ford hasn't just brought back the Excursion, they've reimagined it for the modern era. This full-size SUV makes a statement that's impossible to ignore, and trust me, you're going to want to hear about everything it's packing. The front end is pure dominance. That massive grille features active shutters that automatically adjust for optimal cooling and aerodynamics. The LED headlight array is pure art. Notice how the daytime running lights create this distinctive C-shaped signature that screams modern Ford. Moving to the side, you can really appreciate the sheer scale of this machine. At over 19 feet long, the Excursion is unapologetically massive. But check out these subtle character lines. They help break up the visual bulk while improving aerodynamics. These aren't just any wheels. We're looking at 22-inch forged aluminum pieces wrapped in all-terrain rubber. Ford's offering 5 different wheel designs, but these right here? These are the premium ones, and they look absolutely stunning against the white paint. Up top, we've got integrated roof rails with adjustable crossbars. And notice that panoramic roof? It's actually 3 separate panels, making this the largest glass roof ever fitted to a Ford SUV. Around back, the power tailgate has a class-exclusive 3-way opening system. You can open the whole gate, just the glass, or swing it barn door style for easy access in tight spaces. Those LED taillights wrap around the corners, giving the Excursion a modern, tech-forward appearance. Now, let's talk power. Ford's done something special here. Standard power comes from a 3.5-liter PowerBoost hybrid V6 pumping out 440 horsepower and 510 pound-feet of torque. But the big news? There's also a Powerstroke diesel option coming later in the year. Speaking of capability, this thing is a towing monster. We're talking about 16,000 pounds of towing capacity when properly equipped. The new Pro Trailer Backup Assist 2.0 makes maneuvering with a trailer as easy as turning a dial. The suspension is equally impressive. Standard adaptive air suspension can raise or lower the vehicle by up to 4 inches. It'll drop down for easy entry or lift up for serious off-road clearance. The tech game is strong too. Check out these power-deploying running boards. They've got puddle lights and can extend further back for easy bed access. The side mirrors? They're camera-enabled and can automatically extend for towing. Don't let the size fool you. This Excursion can handle itself off-road. With available 4-wheel drive and the new terrain management system, you've got 7 different drive modes to tackle any condition. The lighting system deserves special mention. These adaptive LED headlights feature dynamic bending and speed-dependent light projection. Plus, the zone lighting system can illuminate a 360-degree area around the vehicle, perfect for camping or job sites. Let's be real, the 2025 Excursion isn't just a comeback, it's a revolution. Ford has taken everything people loved about the original and upgraded it for a new generation. It's bigger, more capable, and more efficient than ever before. That's your first look at the 2025 Ford Excursion. Drop a comment below telling me what you think about this beast's return. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for our upcoming interior tour. Until next time, keep it in the fast lane.